योर कैपेसिटी। जैसा कि टाइटल अपने आप में बताता है कि यह क्लास किस सब्जेक्ट पर बेस है। यू कैन नॉट टीच अ मैन एनीथिंग, यू कैन ओनली हेल्प हिम टू फाइंड इट विद इन हिमसेल्फ। आप किसी को कुछ सिखा नहीं सकते, हाँ उसके अंदर की क्षमताओं से उसको अवगत जरूर करवाया जा सकता है। नो योर कैपेसिटी आपके अंदर की क्षमताओं से आपको अवगत करवाने की एक कोशिश है। नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग ऑर्डिनरी इंसानों का बिजनेस है, लेकिन उस ऑर्डिनरी इंसान को कामयाब होने के लिए अपने अंदर एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी क्वालिटीज को डेवलप करना जरूरी है। नो योर कैपेसिटी उन क्वालिटीज को उभारने में मदद करती है। मौत के बाद स्टेज फियर शायद सबसे बड़ा डर है। जब तक आप स्टेज पे नहीं हैं, तब तक आप एक अच्छे लीडर नहीं हैं। आपके स्टेज फियर को कम करने या खत्म करने की एक कोशिश है नो योर कैपेसिटी।
The world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. It's a very mean and nasty place, and I don't care how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. You, me, or nobody is gonna hit as hard as life. But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done. Now, if you know what you're worth, now go out and get what you're worth. But you gotta be willing to take the hits and not pointing fingers saying you ain't where you want to be because of him or her or anybody. Cowards do that, and that ain't you. You're better than that.
I don't have to tell you things are bad. Everybody knows things are bad. It's a depression. Everybody's out of work or scared of losing their job. The dollar buys a nickel's worth. Banks are going bust. Shopkeepers keep a gun under the counter. Punks are running wild in the street. There's nobody anywhere who seems to know what to do, and there's no end to it. We know the air is unfit to breathe, and our food is unfit to eat. We sit watching our TVs while some local newscaster tells us that today we had 15 homicides and 63 violent crimes, as if that's the way it's supposed to be. We know things are bad, worse than bad. They're crazy. It's like everything everywhere is going crazy, so we don't go out anymore. We sit in the house, and slowly the world we're living in is getting smaller, and all we say is, please, at least leave us alone in our living rooms. Let me have my toaster and my TV and my steel-belted radios, and I won't say anything. Just leave us alone. Well, I'm not going to leave you alone. I want you to get mad. I don't want you to protest. I don't want you to riot. I don't want you to write to your congressman because I wouldn't know what to tell you to write. I don't know what to do about the depression and the inflation and the Russians and the crying in the street. All I know is that first, you've got to get mad. You've got to say, I'm a human being. God damn it. My life has value. So, I want you to get up now. I want all of you to get up out of your chairs. I want you to get up right now and go to the window, open it, and stick your head out and yell, I'm as mad as hell, and I'm not going to take this anymore. Then we'll figure out what to do about the depression and the inflation and the oil crisis. But first, get up out of your chairs, open the window, stick your head out and yell, and say, I'm as mad as hell, and I'm not going to take this anymore.
आपके कामयाब होने की ताकत आपके अंदर ही है। नो योर कैपेसिटी, उस ताकत को बाहर निकालने की एक कोशिश है। याद रखना, कामयाबी पे कोई रिजर्व साइन नहीं होता, यह किसी की जागीर नहीं है। यह हर उस इंसान की हो सकती है जो इसके लिए मेहनत करने को तैयार है।
Blood alone moves the wheels of history! Have you ever asked yourselves in an hour of meditation, which everyone finds during the day, how long we have been striving for greatness? Not only the years we've been at war, the war of work, but from the moment, as a child, when we realized that the world could be conquered. It has been a lifetime struggle, a never-ending fight, I say to you, and you will understand that it is a privilege to fight. We are warriors!